Alright guys, what is going on? We are back. It's probably a little late me uploading this video, but we are at about 980 subscribers right now. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the like button, share, and smash the notification bell. That way you guys don't miss anything that we're getting ready to upload. And you have to be a subscriber to get this video. You will not get this video if you're not a subscriber. So this is an update to show you guys what we got. They finally come in the mail. You know, shipping has been crazy because of your boy. So we got a stun gun instead of a taser, but this is 50,000 volts, the same as the cop taser. So it's even got a flashlight on it, as you guys can see. Turn it on. Oh, yeah. That's going to feel really good. So we got our 1,000 subscriber special getting ready to come out, where I get hit with this and maced too. Let you show you guys what I got here. This is some Vexor. It's Vexor maximum strength, 360 degree access mace, pretty much. Got 2 cans of it. It was, you know, buy 2 for a cheaper price. So we got that, and this is the Viper Trex. I had to read it again. I haven't looked at it in a while, but this is the Viper Trex. It is actually #1 stun gun of 2022. It actually has the, if somebody tries to take it from you from here, they'll get electrocuted from it. So guys, if you want to see this video, please subscribe, because I cannot stress it enough. You will not see this video unless you are subscribed. It's the only way you'll see this video. That's why it's called 1,000 subscriber special. We right now are at about 980. I think like 981 is where we're at right now. So we'll say 980. We're very, very close. So this video is probably late getting uploaded because I already know that we have some big issues with the car that I have to address. So, you know, YouTube doesn't pay me yet. I don't get any handouts to do anything. I work very long hours to pay to build this car for you guys. So we have a big problem with it. It actually, I think the previous owner may have honed it when they done something to it, and I honed it. I didn't check it. It was my fault. We have too much piston to wall clearance. It's allowing the oil to blow by. Car starts, runs, it's fine. It makes power, it does all that, but it's not safe. It's going to blow up. It's very not safe. So for the next 2 or 3 months, I have to work my ass off, sorry about my language, but to pay to get this rebuilt again. So guys, bear with me if you're one of our subscribers and you really want to see this special. Like I said, it's probably late that I'm putting this video out. But the subscriber special is coming, and it's coming up very shortly. When you see this video, it'll be a couple weeks and you'll see it. Like I said, I have been working already. I just finally got kind of a half a day off to make this video for you guys. So I've been working my butt off to try to get this fixed. I haven't even finished from our wire tuck. Our wire tuck's complete, don't get me wrong, but I haven't finished putting, like, you know, the wiper veil, all that stuff down, putting the bump, you know, putting headlights, everything back in it. I haven't done none of that because I haven't had time. So we're going to get to the special. So like I said, guys, please like, subscribe, and share. You will only see the video coming up, our 1,000 subscriber special. You will only see that if you are a subscriber. If you are not a subscriber, you will not see it. So I hope you all subscribe and come see me and watch me get hit with the stun gun and maced at the same time, because I'm pretty sure it's going to be a fun time for you guys, but not me. So, all right, I'll see you guys there.